Today's featured SUV of the day is a 1977 Ford Bronco half cab pickup. And this one I filmed at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, where it bid to $50,000 but did not sell. And this one was a kind of a custom, being that they quit making the half cab pickup in 1972. So this one was converted over, I would guess, and done up in a bright green and black paint, nice two-tone. And the seller's description said it had the 302 V8 engine with the 3-speed automatic transmission with a 2-speed transfer case. The interior was redone about 3 years ago, and this is the final year of the first generation Bronco, which it is. And it was a pretty nice looking vehicle. It definitely was an eye catcher, that's for sure. The only one done in that color, probably. And as far as the Bronco production goes, the first generation Bronco was made from 1966 through 1977. And like I said, this is the last year for the first generation. And they after 1972, the Bronco half cab was withdrawn because of low sales and compared to the wagon. And Ford had introduced the Ford Courier compact pickup truck, which replaced it. But as far as sales figures go, in 1977, the final year, they sold 14,546. And for all the years, 1966, that one was 23,776. And looks like 1974 was the best-selling year, 25,824. But they basically went from a range of 13,125 in 1975. That was the lowest year. And like I said, 74 was the best year, 25,824. So that pretty much sums those up. I'm not sure how many of the half cab pickup ones were made. I couldn't find any sales numbers on those. But anyway, that's today's featured SUV of the day, a 1977 Ford Bronco half cab pickup. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Truck Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my channel page, Truck Finder, and you can look for something else that looks interesting to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.